I wish you would have. I wish you. And then
Brand new to me, 1996 Toyota Corolla.
I guess I'm laughing.
Make sure you check if your car has gas before you buy another car.
You got a Yoda now, so.
I also have 2,000 less dollars.
356, 572.
Hell yeah.
So it's a numbers matching 96 Corolla. What the fuck is going on? Brother.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm sorry. What happened was he hit me up. He's like, hey, my car broke down. I'm gonna go look at this today. Can you help me? I was like, bet. And I asked him, like, yo, what happened to the van? He's like, it is what it is. It broke. I ain't gonna worry about it. And I was like, do you want me to look at the van? And we looked at it. It didn't start, and his fuel gauge was just empty. He's like, yeah, it's always on empty. He's like, I just filled it up. And I got underneath it, you know, give it the old, the classic hammer fist to the fuel pump to get it to turn on. It sounded empty. The whole tank sounded empty. So we went to my place. I got my 5-gallon VP jug. We put gas in it, and it started. And here's his first reaction to hearing the van start with it just needing gas. Yo, what's going through your mind right now, dude?
I spent $25 on a fucking Lyft this morning. I got my kid to school at the bell. I had to ask them to take him in without being tardy. Which they did at the bell. I had to take a Lyft to work.
Oh, okay.
I had to spend $2,000 on a car.
Oh, the Yoda. It's right there.
I spent $18 on gas.
And then 18 on Chick-fil-A. Oh my god.
That one's not a big deal.
I was texting you, like, oh, what's wrong with the truck? Ah, fuck it. Dude, literally, we're like, fuck it, dude.
That fuck it cost me $2,000.
Dude, you can sell it for $3, easy.
No,
easy.
Well, I can't even keep this though.
Oh, okay. I mean, how much would you want for this to buy it?
$3.
Oh, this?
Yeah, he wants $3 for the van.
What
In
you
the
want?
end, I'd rather have a fucking Corolla.
Right.
This already has problems.
Yeah, it's a rape van. This is good village food. Good village food, brother. We only had horses in village until Corolla.
Corolla.
The village Corolla.
2,000. $18. $2,000. $18. Your choice.
Your choice. Wow, it looks like they keep.
It says for sale. Yeah.
Said, I was wondering what. Yeah, for sale, money sign. Dude, it's not keyed.
Close this fucking door. Look.
Oh god.
It goes all the way across. Number 24 or some shit. 2-4.
Dude, 24. Jeff Gordon, dude.
Jeff Gordon.
Dude, NASCAR.
What's wrong with the truck? Ah, fuck it. Nothing.
Yeah, literally, like I could look at it. Nah, it is what it is. Fuck it.
It is what it is. Cost me $2,000.
I think just because I sold so many fruit in these fucking things, I don't want one. I used to want one. I don't want one.
You could sell fruit out of this.
Nah, I'm good.
For $3,000, it's yours. It's in backpack.
Dang, son, you got some good formats in there, dude. Go through that tool bag, son. You got that for free.
I fucking might. I'm gonna need to use it anyways.
No, for real, what we got in here? Oh shit, there's like hella shit in here. Oh shit. What we got? Oh, we got some good wrenches. What the hell was that? We got a test light. Yo, can I just have this? I'm gonna just take it from him. We got some bullshit. Do I want it? Nah, he probably needs it more than me. I mean, we got a test light. I don't know why I'm more excited about. It's actually pretty decent stuff. Yes, so you're good.
You got a Phillips in there?
Dude,
I need it.
Right there, dude.
That would have been pretty bad. Actually got pulled, well, not pulled over, but like they surrounded his car at a motel when he was driving from California back to here. they fucking showed up and surrounded him, his mom, and the van, and they were like, "Where the fuck is she?" Blah, blah, blah.
Because of attempted murder.
Yeah. And they were like, "You don't know who that is?" And he was like, "No." They were like, "Well, if you'd see her, don't pick her up."
Probably makes sense why the tires are slashed.
Come on, brother. Is this supposed to be fucking difficult?
What? Oh.
But I have vice grips for him.
Dude, if we found like cash everywhere, it'd be fucking like just hiding behind the license plate.
It's actually just a dead body, some fingers.
Oh, I'd immediately throw up and shit all the Chick-fil-A that I just ate.
Really? Oh yeah.
Probably not. I'm okay with like gore.
Someone's gonna call the fucking cop. God damn it. You know what? You're already falling off, actually. What the fuck am I complaining about? You're already coming out.
There's probably a nut on the other side.
Think so?
Yeah.
You're fucking tripping. You're fucking shitting on my dick right now.
Dude, I say the same shit. I say the same. I was like, you got to be shitting my dick. I say the same shit.
They are shitting my dick right now. Come on, hold on. Come on. How does one do this?
Can you think you could put your fingers on it and I could just loosen it from this side?
Oh, yeah.
Brother, I am village mechanic.
Oh, you stupid fucking bitch.
Oh, that's tight. Let me see if I get that kung fu grip. Nope, you ain't getting that. You need some pliers.
What?
Let me get some pliers for that one.
From my fucking car?
Yeah, dude, from your fucking tool bag. I bought this thing. We didn't even check if the VIN number's right.
Oh yeah.
Just go to the last 7 of the VIN. Oh, the
Yeah.
356 572.
Mm-hmm.
And then make sure right here on the door is the same.
That doesn't say the door, right?
Yeah. 356 572.
Hell yeah.
So it's a numbers matching 96 Corolla. What the fuck is going on? Oh, dude, this is great.
Economy car rental, Killeen, Texas.
That right there is sheer will to not give up. That is John Wick determination to being committed. To just being committed.